Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Bethel if it's your first time here, and on this channel I make different videos like fashion videos, but this video is going to be an interior decoration video. In this video I'll be showing you how to make your own coffee table. Yeah, I told you guys I was doing a whole series of like interior decoration stuff. Well, this is one of the parts in that series, so I'm going to show you guys how to make your own coffee table. I made it for less than $50 because for some reason coffee tables are above $50, but I made mine for less than $50 with my own materials and everything, and they're easy to find materials. Anywho, this is what you need for this project. For this project, I'll be using the Lean tabletop from ikea. It costs like $8.99 or something, and these table legs which I got from Amazon. I'll put the link to both in the description box down below. Also, the only tool you actually need is a screwdriver. I got a power one because it's easier. So you can decide on where you want your placement for the legs to be, but I decided to take them 1 inch into the tabletop. So that's just me measuring 1 by 1 on each side of the table, and anything I do on one side I have to do on all 4 sides and make it equal. Next, I place one of the legs and just make sure it's straight. Then I trace the circles in it. That's to know where my screws are going to be sitting. So for this next part, it will be so much easier if you have a drill, but my drill, I misplaced the battery and it just had issues, so I did this instead. So I use the hammer to hit in the screws, then I use my power screwdriver to screw them in, just to create that drill effect, so that when I come back to put them in, it's going to be easier. So I did this for all the holes I marked. Also, you might notice that the tabletop had pre-drilled holes. Yeah, they had pre-drilled holes, but they were not for these particular legs. That's why I had to make my own new holes. But if you're buying the legs from ikea, then you do not have to drill holes. So once we're done with pre-drilling the holes, we just put the legs back and then put the screws back in where they're supposed to be. You have to make sure it's aligned with the hole so that this process is easier. Okay, so this is basically the same thing I just did, but up close. Now I'm just showing you guys where I marked. Those are the 1 inches. So I'm going to place my table leg and make sure it's aligned, then mark the holes. Same thing I just did before, but closer. So we just need to repeat this process for the remaining 2 legs and we're done. So the table legs came with these things, so they're used to put the table in place so that they do not move when you flip it over, because as you can see the legs end in a curve, so if you don't put those, they're going to keep moving everywhere in your living room. So this is what the coffee table looks like flipped, and to be honest, I really love how it looks. It has this semi-industrial feel to it, and that's what I love about it. It's also very simple and adds a beautiful touch to the design. thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because it really helps me. Also, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and also check out my last video on the patio makeover that I did. There's going to be more makeover videos coming, so subscribe to my channel if that's what interests you. But anywho, I'll see you on my next video. Bye.